This is the Capacitance Interactive Calculator, which solves for capacitance and related electrical parameters in parallel plate capacitors. Let's look at the inputs. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown where you can select to calculate capacitance, stored charge, stored energy, electric field, required plate area, or plate separation. I'll use calculate capacitance for this demo. Then we have plate area in square meters, separation distance in millimeters, relative permittivity epsilon r, voltage in volts, capacitance in picofarads, charge in nanocoulombs, and energy in microjoules. For our example, I'll input a plate area of 0.01 square meters, separation distance of 2.0 millimeters, relative permittivity of 4.5, and voltage of 100 volts. After clicking Calculate, the results show a capacitance of 199.22 picofarads. The calculator also provides stored charge at 19.92 nanocoulombs, stored energy at 0.996 microjoules, electric field at 50.00 kilovolts per meter, charge density at 1.992 microcoulombs per square meter, and energy density at 49.8048 millijoules per cubic meter. These comprehensive results help engineers design and analyze capacitor configurations for their specific applications. Find the link in the description below.